Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you could insert an Outlook email inside an Excel presentation. To begin, open your Outlook, click and drag the email into your desktop. Once done, click to open your Excel document. Click on the exact sheet where you want to insert the email. Click on the exact cell where you want the email to appear. Click Insert. Click on Object, Create from File, Browse, Desktop, locate the email, click Insert, Display as icon. You can always change the icon if you wish and click OK. And here is the email. You can enlarge the size of the icon and you can place it wherever you want. After that, you need just to click Save and you can share it with whoever you want. If next time you open this Excel document, the email should appear there. And if you double click on it, you should be able to open it with Outlook application. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.